Welcome, guys. This is Impact Forex, where we are gonna take you through the journey and show you everything you need to know about price action and how to trade the forex markets. So hang tight and welcome to my channel, and please do subscribe. So today's lesson, I'm gonna be teaching you about the states of the market. The states of the market. So there are three major states of the market, and this is very critical for you to understand. So pay very close attention. Three major states of the market. The first state that I'm going to be talking to you about today is the trending state. The trending state. Now, this is the trending state. You have a low here and a higher low here at this point here, and then you have a higher low at this point here. So you can see that there's a series of higher lows going up, and similarly on the opposite side you have a high here, and then you have a high at this point here and a high here. So the market is made of higher lows and higher highs. So that is what we call a trending market. A trending market. So that is an uptrend. That is the first state of the market. And what we want to know, we don't only want to understand what is a trending market or what is a trend. We need to know, what does a trend mean? What does it mean? Why is there a trend in the market? So whenever you see a trend in the market, whether it's going up or down, you must know that there is a larger player. There's a larger player who is involved in that move. Because one of the key things about our style of trading is that we follow the larger players. The larger players are your banks, your institutions. So that's who we follow. I call them larger players. So when you hear me saying big player, just know that I'm referring to those institutions. So whenever you see a trending market, you must know that there is a larger player who is involved. So what I just showed you now is an uptrend. So you can see that there is a low here. So let me rather do this. You can see that the market pushed to the upside, creating a higher point and a low point, and pushed to the upside, creating a higher point and a low point. Push to the upside, creating a higher point and a low point. Push to the upside again, creating a high point. So you can see that there is a high point, which is a high, and a low point, which is a low. Then you can see that there is a higher low point, which is a higher low, and a higher low point again, which is a higher low than the previous one. And then on this side, you can see that there is a high, a higher high, a higher high, and a higher high. So basically the market is made of higher highs and lower lows. So where you see this curve here, this is what we call a high, then a higher high, then a higher high, then another high. So this is what we call a trending market. It's a trending market. So when you see it, you must know that a larger player is involved in that trade. That's the kind of trade that you want to be involved in. But you don't just want to be involved when you see the trade has already lifted up. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to catch the trade before it propels to the upside. So that's one of the things that you're going to be learning in this channel. I'm going to teach you guys everything that you need to know how to catch a trade before it even shoots up. You know, you don't want to get involved in a trade very late. That's not the kind of trading that we want to do here at Impact Forex. We want to do the types of trade that will give you higher rewards. Higher rewards. Are we together? So I'm just charging my laptop. My battery is low. Okay, so that is the first state of the market, a trending market. And then I'm gonna show you the second state of the market. We have what is called a range. Yeah, so you see the market has created highs here and lows here at this area here. This is a range. So the market is basically has a high, a low, a high, and a low. So you have equal highs and equal lows. So the market is not breaking out of this structure here. So this is what we call the market is ranging. It's not moving like this one here where it's just going to the upside like that. So it's moving in a sideways direction. So that is what is called a ranging market. And whenever you see a ranging market, you must know why is the market moving in that manner. You know, not only to know that this is a range, you must know why the market is moving in this manner. The market is moving in this manner because the larger players, they are building up orders. Something is about to happen in the market. So anytime you see the market moving sideways, you must know that something is about to happen. A decision is about to be made about the direction of that particular market. So the larger players are building up their orders. There is equal buying power and equal selling power. So when you see a range, you need to be prepared because something is about to happen. And I will show you all about that in the coming lessons. So this is a ranging market. Okay. And then we have what is called a channel. A channel. A channel is basically a sideways range, you know. So let me show you this area here. Okay, let me just do this. Wait. Drag this one. Yeah. So you can see this is a tilted movement. So this is a channel. It's like a range, but that is sideways. That is tilted. It's a tilted range. And when you see something like this, a tilted range like this, you must know that it basically means that the larger player has come, is about to end his move. A move is about to be ended and another one is about to begin. So when you see a tilted range like this, it is called a channel, and you must understand what it means. So it's almost like a trading market, but it's not trending per se, because there are just deeper pools. You can see the market move from this direction, pull back deeply, move back up, pull back deeply again, pull back upwards deeply, and pull back downwards like that. So as compared to this move here to the upside, you can see this move, it was moving up impulsively, but this one is moving in sort of a downtrend but with deeper pullbacks. So that is a channel. So when you see this type of movement, you must know that the initial movement that was done is coming to an end and another move is about to spring forth. So that's what a channel is, and I'll show you all about that in the next lessons. So it is very important of you to understand this critical element of the market, because before you make any trading decisions, you need to know what is the state of the market that you are in. You don't just want to be in the market and you don't know what is going on. So when you know that the market, you ask yourself, is the market trending? Is the market in a range? Is the market in a channel? Is the market in a channel? Then you'll be able to make better informed trading decisions. Okay, let me just show you right now. Let me show you. Like you wake up in the morning and you need to see what is the state of the market. You can see here that the market was going in some sort of was in a downtrend. There is a high, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and a lower high. So in a downtrend, you have a series of higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and on the other side you have low lows, a low, a lower low, and a lower low. So this is a downtrend. Okay, so you just woke up in the morning that day, you need to determine what is the state of your market. So right now you can see that the market is in some sort of a channel. Can even do this here, but this I'll teach you at a later stage. You see, okay, let me just remove the big ones and just use the small one here. So you're waking up, you have to determine what is the state of your market. So you come here, you determine the state of it. You can see right now your market is in a channel. Okay, is in a channel. So you know that a move just ended, this was the impulsive move to the upside, and it started forming a channel like this. That move just ended and another one is about to begin. So these are the three states of the market. You need to know what the market is doing before you make any trading decisions. And this is the key element of mastering your price action. Okay, you need to know what the market is doing, and going forward you're going to understand that at Impact Forex, one of the key things that we really respect or that we base our trades on are ranges. Okay, the range is your friend. The range is gonna be your friend at Impact Forex. That's our style of trading, because anytime there's a range, we know that something big is about to happen. So you want to be involved in that move. You want to be involved in that move. You see here the market was just ranging here. These are the key areas that we are interested in. These are the key areas that we are interested in. When you see things like this happening, the market ranging like this, you know something's about to happen. There was a move to the upside. You know, there was a move to the upside. When you see the market ranging, anytime you see a range, when you see things like this, a move to the upside, a move to the upside. Can you see that? So anytime there's a range, something is about to happen. We are looking for ranges in the markets, and I'm going to show you how to take those trades. You see here, market was basically ranging in these areas. Then a big move to the downside. You want to identify your ranges. The range is your friend. You normally hear people saying that the trend is your friend. I'm saying to you that the range is your friend. Look at this. The market is ranging here, and then bam, big move to the upside. So you want to be able to catch this move. So I told you, when you see a range, the big players are building up their orders. And look what happened after the build up. This. You see a range, the big players are building up their orders. Look what happened. This is what we are looking for. See a range, then bam, market moves to the upside. Market is not moving, it's just moving sideways. Then bam, market moves to the downside. So this is what we are looking for, guys. Keep on watching, keep on coming to the channel for more content. I'll be uploading more content in the upcoming days, and you are going to receive a lot of knowledge in this channel, and your trading will never be the same again. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced trader, there is something for you here at Impact Forex, and we want to make an impact in your life. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, and every time I upload a video, you'll get. So this is what we are looking for, guys. Keep on watching, keep on coming to the channel for more content. I'll be uploading more content in the upcoming days, and you are going to receive a lot of knowledge in this channel, and your trading will never be the same again. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced trader, there is something for you here at Impact Forex, and we want to make an impact in your life. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, and every time I upload a video, you'll get it. Thank you, guys.